Hello, I'm back. It's now 2018 and I'm with him. Being rather quiet today.
Hello! Nice sunny day, a bit cold.
We come to pretty much the middle of Manchester.
There's a motorbike in the water here.
Is there a motorbike?
Look, you can see it, it's been here a while as well.
Oh yeah.
There's loads of stuff in here.
So we're in the centre of Manchester and we are right next to the edge and there's loads of finds already.
Told you it'd be a good spot, didn't it?
Yeah,
That's
but
been there ages, that, you could tell.
it might be a good spot, but my car is it's parked in a dodgy place and if my windows get put through, Ashley's paying for it. Hey, do you like my glasses?
Oh my god.
What's wrong with them? You know, I think I look cool.
I'm back. 2018. So, yeah.
You just ripped my intro right off. Right, now I usually do this on a separate video. Oh, sorry, I've got a wall shadow. I usually... I don't know. I usually do this on a different video, but I don't really get that much mail, so I'm going to include it in this. I got a package.
No, you can't keep it.
Why?
I'm going to get my wraparound tripod and put it on there.
Alright. Make sure you lock my car.
Well,
yeah.
in the boot.
Don't lock the keys in the car either, that's the only key I've got.
Right.
I've got a bad feeling about this. Anyway, so I got a package, I just opened it then. Now, it's from America by the looks of it. So, look at that.
Just remember the cat is the wraparound one.
It's a mailbox. It's actually, it's a mailbox. Look, it's got the little thing that comes up. And it's got some
chocolate.
I'll
put you in there.
Do you want a chocolate bar? I'm guessing there's two here, so it's one each.
And it's both of us.
But there's no letter with it. There's no letter with it. It's chocolate and some gloves. So, I don't know who sent it, but that's ace. I need some gloves as well. Let me have a look. Right, there's definitely no letter in this package. So it's off someone called Jerry. So, Jerry, thank you very much for the present. Very nice. I'm going to use these right now because my gloves are knackered and they smell really bad. Hey, touchscreen compatible these. Look at that. Look at that.
Hey! First row. Oh, and I've got it.
I got it. I've got it.
Little bugger.
As soon as she said that, I started unreeling that so fast.
Yeah, then I'll have the shopping trolley.
Got a motorbike again.
I got a bit of the shopping trolley. We beat you to it, people.
I can finish sorting my bag out now. We got a till. Let's see if we can get into it. It's locked.
Just sludge in it. Fish around in it.
Yeah.
Is there anything in it?
No, empty.
Completely empty. So we got that as a joint effort. We've got this here, which is the rest of the trolley. We've got two scaffolding poles there, fronting. That's the trolley.
Oh shit. So the safe, it's a till. It's a joint effort.
Yeah.
Ash actually found it, but I helped pull it out, so.
It's too heavy.
There's it. Got it open with a chuck to the ground.
And
all this was the only thing that was in it. And now we've made a giant mess on the path that everybody's running through. And Ash is stuck on there. So yeah, unfortunately that's now in it. Don't mean I can't use good clickbait though, does it? Clickbait! At the minute, right, I can't feel my hands. These gloves are mint, but they're not fully waterproof, so as you can, so my hands are cold. They're freezing. So I'm just gonna, look how red that is. So I'm just gonna chill a minute, yeah? Oh, and I lent on my glasses as well, so I think I broke them. Huh? No, maybe not. Oh no, I bent them. Right, I'm gonna try the other side of the bridge. I'll show you my finds in a minute. Well, I say in a minute, it'll be a minute. Ash just found something, but you can't get it. So I'm gonna try, this side of the bridge. Oh. There you go. Just had to wait for everyone to go past, because I'm going to be leaving my camera here in just a second, so I can go and get my magnet, and I don't want it getting robbed. You get me? I'll go get my magnet. There you go, sorry, I've got rope there.
I thought it was a dog.
No. You just tangled up on this rope as well. We're back in action. Let's do this! actually is standing right in my shot to, I can't see the camera screen, it's that sunny. Move out the way, I'm going to show my finds.
I've shown your fans already, they'll be on before you.
What, on your channel?
Yeah.
So, here's my finds, excuse my shadow. We got the mobike. We got a weirdo. He's been following me around all day. Don't you look like a lumberjack?
I'm trapping wood.
So, mobike.
That you stole off me.
Oh, come on, I got there first. A metal pipe. A bag. It had nothing in. A wheel. A safe.
Cash box.
Oh, cash box, yeah.
That's
So,
a proper
cash box there. And then one of those telephone cash box.
Yeah, I think they're from out the payphones, aren't they?
Yeah. The younger generation might not realise, but we don't have mobile phones, and we used to have to go to like a street corner and there was like a phone on the street corner, and we'd have to do that, and you put money in and that'll be the safe for it.
You forgot your other one at the other end.
Yeah, I'm moving over to it, So yeah, we got 2 safe boxes, cash boxes, a rock with rope tied round it, because you know, that's weird. And we got a cash register. That's a joint effort, that one. Ash found it, I helped pull it out. It was empty. I also opened it.
And got all the sludge everywhere.
Yeah, and I didn't do that. A horse did it, running past with diarrhea. Honest.
It had been on there.
You never stop moaning, you.
Have you not told me about your new cool glasses as well?
They are cool, aren't they?
They're alright.
Do you like them?
They're alright.
They don't suit me. They don't suit me. They've got all patterns. Anyway, if you liked what you see, give us a thumbs up. Let's try and get at least 20 likes today. We're probably going to get 20 dislikes.
20 views if you're lucky.
20 views if I'm lucky. You hear him? Don't forget, we've got, that's Brad. You can't see it. Merchandise. Click the link below to go get yourself a hoodie or a t-shirt. I've got to advertise it because how else would I sell it? And he's just zombified now. So like, subscribe, check out the merch.
Check out my channel, Just Ash.
Add me on Facebook. Are you going to put a link in your channel for me?
If you send me the link, yeah, and I'll stick it on.
Oh, yeah.
You got to type that HHP blah blah blah, yeah.
I just copy and paste.
Right, I'll do that then.
Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. And until next time. Oh! I forgot.
What?
I'm going to start doing loads of live streams on Patreon. I can see. So,
I can't, because that sun's in my eyes.
I'm going to start going on there, so to all my Patreons out there, expect some private live streams. Well, not private live streams, but...
Oh, that sounds kinky.
It does... Shut up.
That's bread in a mankini.
Oh, yeah. You're so vile.
Vulgar.
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 So disgusting, Ashley. Right. Thanks for watching. See you later. Ashley's getting embarrassed about speaking in front of the camera when people are going past. Do you want to go to the car and do it?
Do you want to just be quiet a minute for 2 minutes? Stop filming me.
You were talking in my shot.
Oh, will you? Stop it.